You don't have to waste time and money going to York University in Canada or Harvard University in the United States to learn to speak and understand the beautiful Jamaican language. Just subscribe to this channel, get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com, and listen in every week where I do a commentary in Jamaican patois and give you an immediate overview in English. Just hold on there. Me no like snow, but lad master, me excited about the Winter Olympics where them are having in China. Yeah, man, to see why a true Jamaica I go down there again, go mash up bobsled. You remember how them did mash up the bobsled in Canada in 1998 till Disney all have to make movie about it. Yeah, man, the movie name Cool Runnings. Me see it about 10 times. No, me can't afford to go to China. Even if them wasn't letting anybody. But me hear them say them not letting nobody for the Olympics because of the stinking virus. But if they letting people, enough black, green and gold, you go sit down there, car. Enough Jamaican live in China and Jamaican from all over the world are go cheer up with boy them because they make we feel good. We not no snow in Jamaica, plenty people think we are snow. Nah man, we not no snow, but that no say for the boy them can do bobsled. This are the same one them that they do it in 1998. Not so younger youth, but them a carry on the Jamaica tradition we say if a the egg, we in a the red, we little, but with halawa. Yeah man, and you see, from we start go about Winter Olympics in 1998, other people are following master, they must follow it. Because Trinidad and Nigeria and another country now, when I no snow like a way I do bobsled. Big up Jamaican athletes, them are the best in the world. In the previous section, I was telling you that once again, Jamaica will be participating in the Winter Olympics. Oh no, we have no snow. But in 1998, we set a trend when our young men went and entered the Winter Olympics in bobsledding in Canada. It created such a stir throughout the world that Walt Disney made a movie called Cool Runnings about this phenomenon of this little island without any snow, sending people to vie for medals at the Winter Olympics. Oh yes. And we did start a trend because since then other countries that have no snow have been sending their athletes or some of their athletes to the Winter Olympics. Countries like Nigeria and Trinidad. We're happy that once again Jamaica has become a trendsetter to the world. Our athletes are by far the greatest in the world. Have a wonderful day.
Tennessee. him down, he bounce right back. What a hard man he did, hard man he did. Pick him up, you lick him down, he bounce right back. What a hard man he did, hard man he did. They said that they can't have 9 lives, but this man they have 99 lives. You pick him up, you lick him down, he bounce right back. What a hard man he did, hard man he did. What a job it is. And all the Friday they got in the sea they had. It was a rum